FHA, VA, conventional, all these different loan types. If you're a home buyer, what do you choose? Steve Currington Mortgage Group. Explain different types of loans in as non-technical a manner that you can.
Well, when you're choosing the loan program, it's actually become pretty easy, especially if you're a first-time home buyer, because the conventional products that are out there just aren't as competitive unless you're putting a big amount of money down.
So you're saying it's not as attractive, the conventional term that describes those loans. What is conventional describing?
Conventional is describing a loan that's not going to be guaranteed by the government in some way, shape, or form, by either the VA or by HUD or by the USDA
What's
Department.
The VA?
The Veterans Administration.
What's HUD?
HUD is the a branch of the government that really regulates FHA loans, USDA loans. They're the ones that are guaranteeing these loans for the lenders.
What's a USDA loan? You understand what?
Yeah.
This is what, it's so funny because we throw all this stuff around and people don't know what that is.
Right.
And I'll sit and when I say, do you even know what I'm talking about? And sometimes I'll say, no, Daryl, I don't. And I said, then just stop me. And please forgive me for using all these terms. But what is USDA?
USDA is it's a rural, what they call a rural housing loan. You'll hear it called USDA RD, rural housing, and it's a loan that's geared toward developing rural areas. The government guarantees the loan so that someone can put no money down on a home, and it helps develop areas that aren't as developed as, say, Tulsa
No
would be.
money down. You just said put no money down. Those loans are still available.
Yes.
You can get a no money down loan on a new loan right now, and most home buyers, I don't think, know that. But it can't be just anywhere. It has to be in what is termed a rural area. But describe some of those rural areas. It's not like way out of town.
Sure, you don't have to necessarily be out in the sticks and miles out of town. One thing that's surprising that a lot of people may not know is that all of Owasso is eligible for this program.
All of Glenpool too?
Most of Glenpool is eligible for that. Some areas, what they do is, like for Sapulpa, for example, if it's in the city limits of Sapulpa, then it's not eligible for that. If it's got a Tulsa address, it's not necessarily eligible, but there's little pockets in areas. If you get east into Broken Arrow, there's some areas over there that are in Wagner County.
How do you find out if you're shopping for a home? How do you look? Is there a map that's available? How do you do that?
Sure. There's a map that's online, and what we do with our customers when they come in is we give them that link, and we let their real estate agent know, hey, they are going to do a USDA loan. They want to put no money down. Here's the link. Before you go show them a house, let's make sure that it does qualify for this loan. Let's make sure that it's in a qualifying area.
Not only can it be a waste of time for the realtor, it can be a real letdown when a home buyer thinks this home qualifies and it doesn't.
It doesn't, right.